Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cra'Deja. If you've never been here before, today we are going to be doing this side part swoop bang frontal wig install. I don't know, whatever you call it. So let's go ahead and get started. I am going to be using this wig right here. This wig has been provided by Klaiyi, I think that's how you pronounce it, something like that. You know, it's been provided by them, and thank you for sending over this wig. I really do like it, but the only thing is, y'all, I tried to finesse this side part with, like, you know, the wigs that they send out now. They have like the little 2-inch sides or whatever. Yeah, so you guys gonna see how I managed to still do this wig even though it didn't really have a full 13x4 lace. The hair was really good quality, and I did get it in the straight 24 inches. Okay, so y'all already know how I do. I usually go ahead and skip the ball cap method anyway, but here it is. I'm showing y'all. I mean, it's the ball cap method. Like, you know, just go ahead and do your ball cap, girl. Do what you gotta do and apply your makeup. Y'all know the basics. I mean, it is what it is. I do this in every video, so I don't feel like I need to explain much of what I'm doing. But yeah, you know, you just want to make sure that the cap matches you. That's the most important thing. I know some people be like, oh yeah, you know, go darker, I guess. Yeah, go darker in the color that you use. But me, I mean, I like to get the spot on color. So even if that means that I have to mix two different foundations or whatever y'all want to call it, whatever, even if it means that I have to mix two of those, I'm gonna do what I got to do. Okay, so yeah, just go ahead and apply that on your wig. And as y'all can see here, I mean, I want to do a middle part so bad because, listen, middle parts, that is my vibe, that is my comfort. So, you know, today I really did step outside of my comfort zone, but right now I'm just measuring to make sure that the wig, you know, actually fits my head. And now I'm turning it to the side a little bit, you know, so I can get a little bit more side part action when I actually install the wig. So I'm using the Holy Grail glue, Ericka J, Hold Me Down, y'all. I love this glue. Probably one of my favorites. Love it. I cannot wait to actually, you know, get my own glue started or whatever. But yeah, she really did her thing with this glue, and I believe I used 3 layers of the glue. Honestly, I probably should just use 2 because I changed my hair so much. But y'all, this glue is going to literally do what it says. It's going to hold you down. So go ahead and put that on your bald cap, and you know, I'm applying 3 layers, and yeah, let it dry clear, and then we'll put our wig on. So here it is now. I am placing my little wig on my head, y'all. Please just, you know, just bear with me. I don't know if it was because I plucked the wig or what, but it was like a lot of fairy dust and hairs and stuff. But I'm pretty sure that's because I plucked the wig and I probably forgot to brush it out. But yeah, y'all, I mean, I plucked the wig and I didn't do too much because sometimes, you know, I can go a little overboard, especially if I had a little, you know, drinky drink, which is not often. But I did install a video after I had a couple of mimosas. But don't do that, you know, just take your time, do what you gotta do, make your wig look the best that it could. This is your new scalp, treat it as such. And I was kind of having a little difficulties up in here. I don't know why. It was like bunching a little, or trying to bunch or something. I don't know. But I mean, I worked around it, and yeah, it's the plucking for me. But yeah, y'all go ahead and cut that extra lace off. Pretty self-explanatory, you know. I don't know, for me, like, these wigs be like second nature almost. So I mean, it'd be pretty easy for me. But yeah, go ahead and cut off y'all extra lace, and we'll proceed with the rest of the video. At this point, y'all, this is already looking like my scalp, and I haven't even melted it yet. Like, come through. Y'all, for my next video, I think I want to do like some very soft, you know, curly chastity autumn type baby hairs. Like, I just love the vibes when it comes down to her work. But anywho, yep, so got my whole little thing down. Make sure you put the elastic back on. Bag, really. Make sure y'all put y'all elastic band on. And what I like to do is I like to pretty much style my whole head before I take my band off, so you have time to like set, you know, marinate, melt, whatever you want to call it, all of that stuff. So go ahead and, you know, style your hair, curl your hair, do what you got to do while this elastic band is on, so that when you take this elastic band off, all you gotta do is your baby hairs, and then your wig is slayed, period, across the board. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm gonna go ahead and shape and mold my hair into how I want it to be. And then we're going to come back and we're going to do this baby hairs. So y'all, my phone had ran out of storage, so I had to switch over to recording videos on Snapchat. So that's why the camera had flipped. But you know, we still in there. Also, y'all, this Also, y'all, this not flat iron, but this hot comb is from Galaxy Girl Hair, y'all. When I tell you this is the best hot comb that I've ever used, like, I usually buy hot combs once or twice a week because, you know, I do hair every day, so I'm like, come on now. But this, as y'all can see, like, I put this hot comb to the use, like, put it to use because, baby, like, oh my gosh, it's all burnt up and everything. But you can, like, change the temperature and everything on the hot comb, and I'm here for it. I'm actually going to purchase another one because I love it so much, and because mine, you know, got a little burnt but I mean, it still works so good, y'all. Literally, definitely recommend. Check out Galaxy Girl Hair on Instagram. She sells like wax sticks and hot combs and glue and all that stuff. So yeah, girl, do your thing, and y'all go get y'all some good products because this is lit. Anywho, as y'all can see, I'm going ahead and straightening my hair out, and then we'll come back for the baby hairs and the final look, and you gonna look all good. If y'all try this hairstyle or whatever, definitely let me know. Tag me on Instagram at hair by Cra'Deja. I do not use my personal page, so don't be tagging no at Cra'Deja because I don't use it. Please make sure you tag at hair by Cra'Deja. Period. God dang. I don't know what that was. Y'all know it's very hard for me to do my baby hairs on camera, but I tried to do a little something today. But my baby hairs was bugging me. Like, they really were bugging me. And everybody, oh, why your eyebrow? Why your baby hairs always so low? This and that. Obviously, I have a low hairline. Obviously, I don't want to put the frontal on my actual hairline. Obviously, I still look good. So, what's it to you? What's it to you? Now, if I had a big forehead, we wouldn't have this problem, but I don't have that. Anywho, carry on. So, you know, swoop your baby hairs, do what you got to do, and then make sure you put your band back on. Like, after you do them baby hairs, put your band back on. Let your hair set. Let it dry. Do what you got to do. And then this is the final look. Period, sis. Period. Thank y'all for watching this video. I love all of you guys, and yeah, y'all, we almost to 40K, so turn up. Make sure you follow my Instagram at hair by Cra'Deja. Follow me. I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.